What's up, Glamazons? So today we are going to be doing a Fashion Nova haul. Yeah, we've been around this block before, so let's just get right into it. So this is from a couple different orders. So the first thing is this dress right here, the Disco Heart Sequin t-shirt dress in a size large. So I got a dress similar to this. It was black and gold, and I just thought it was really cute. It's like casual but glam at the same time. So I wanted to try another one. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see how I feel about it when I get it on. But yes, when I come back with it on, I will tell you the price of it as well. So let me try it on. Okay, here it is. It's really cute. One thing I do like about it more than the other dress I got that is similar is this actually comes in sizes. The other one was a one size and it was pretty big. This is a little short. It is lined, but it's super cute. So it doesn't have the hearts in the back. But I mean, this I think would be cute like in the summer, going to lunch or going shopping. So I believe it was 30% off. So this came to be $23.68. I'm kind of on the fence about this, but I guess something that I could wear with it, I also got. Let me show you guys. How adorable are these sneakers? I've been wanting some like rhinestone sneakers, and so I got them. What do you know? These are the Casual Sleigh sneakers, and I have big ass feet, so I got it in a size 10, and these came to be $24.99. The material's kind of thin. I don't know why I was expecting it to be thicker, but they are comfortable. I got these one pair of sneakers from Fashion Nova. They were, ooh, sorry baby, they were so uncomfortable. Yes, I see you. You gotta rub all over my new shoes. Okay, let me see them. Yeah, I think this would be a super cute outfit. Okay, now let's go with this dress. It looked really cute on the model, but then when I got it, I don't know how I feel about it. I guess we'll see when I try it on. So this is the Jaden mini dress in a size large, and it came out to be $26.31. So it has some shoulder pads and it's zippers, and I am gonna go try it on. Okay, now that I have it on, I actually really like it. I think it's just like super unique and edgy. Oh, the only thing is I would have to probably tie these a little tighter. They're kind of loose. It's very short, but I am very tall, and it's very low cut as well, but I could wear a bra with this. And I paired it with my Timberlands. I thought that would be super cute together. All right, what do I want to try on next? Okay, so next I have a little outfit going on. I have this bodysuit, which is the Can I Have It All bodysuit in a size large in ivory. And this is the Brainy Sequin mini skirt. And I got this in a size extra large. I don't know, I always feel like their skirts run small on me, so that's why I ended up getting an extra large. So have this ticket. I will put the prices up in the screen now, and I'm gonna go try it on. Obsessed. Literally obsessed. Oh my gosh, I love this outfit. So this does have shoulder pads. It also has a little button right here, so if you want it to be like super plunging, it can be, or you can be a little bit more modest. It has buttoned sleeves, and I'm tall, and this is long enough, which I very much appreciate, and I'm glad that I got an extra large in this skirt. It fits perfectly, honestly. And how freaking just adorable is it? It's lined, not a separate liner, it's attached to the skirt, but I love it. It has a side zipper. I'm obsessed. So I also, they have really good deals on jackets. And even though I'm in Florida and it's starting to warm up already, like I couldn't just pass up. I got 2 jackets on these because of the price. So I'm gonna try one on with this, and it is the one I don't have the receipt for, but I believe it was $25. Like, you can't beat this for $25. This is the all faux fur jacket in a size large. So it is a zipper up. And this is just like, it will go with like any dress, with jeans, anything. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Ooh, and it actually has real pockets. What do you know? Oh, this does button too if you want it, but it doesn't get that cold in Florida. Okay. So, this next shirt, I'm actually just gonna try on with the same skirt, but I thought this was so cute. This is the Never Sensitive satin top in a size large. Okay, I didn't get this to go with the skirt, but it actually goes with it really well. And I'm not someone who's very comfortable like showing their stomach, but I did get this to go with like some sort of high-waisted pant or skirt, and I think it goes with this perfectly. So this does have a side zipper. This you can't do anything with, and the sleeves are just open. They don't have any buttons or anything, but it's really cute. Okay, next I have been wanting some cute joggers, especially camo ones. So these are the Regina Cargo joggers in a size large. They do have a belt that comes with it. So with these, I know it doesn't match, but I need to try this on with something. So I just got a standard bodysuit here. This is the Crystal Crewneck long sleeve bodysuit in plum in a size large. And this was $8. Damn. Alright. So let me try these on and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm loving each item separately. I mean, it's okay together. So I have bought a pair of jogger pants from Fashion Nova before, and for whatever reason, I just didn't like the fit. but I love these. They're the perfect length, they fit nicely, and they're flattering as well. Some joggers I feel like just aren't flattering. So they do have real pockets. The belt, like I said, are these real? Oh yeah, look at that. You actually have real cargo pockets as well. Here's the back. The bodysuit, super soft, long enough. I mean, I can't ask for much more for $8. So I also just got a t-shirt. It says chase dreams, not clout. I'm just gonna throw it on over this. But I'm just gonna try it on to give you an idea of the fit, because sometimes their shirts are really big. But no, this fits perfectly, and then I got it in a large, I'm assuming. It doesn't say, I'll tell you when I take it off. Oh, this is a look. Just kidding. All right, next. Okay, let me take this off. So I have something that I'm gonna try on with two different bottoms. The bottoms are actually not from Fashion Nova. It's the only thing in the haul not from Fashion Nova. It's from Amazon. One of the bottoms. So first is this bodysuit. So this is very sheer. I'm gonna have to put on a black strapless bra. This is the Paris Girl mesh bodysuit in a size large. Oh, that shirt was a size large as well. And this was $19.99. So first I'm gonna try it on with this skirt I got from Amazon. And it was only like $15. It's like a little, not a little, but it's a cargo skirt. And they actually had it in a newsprint design, but that one was like $25. So first I'm gonna try it on with that, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I really love the bodysuit, but there's something going on with this right sleeve. Like, it's not the same as the left. Like, it's like there's something wrong with it, and I can't figure out how to fix it. It's just really weird. Like, it's just not right. I don't know if you can see the difference. Like, I untied it to see if that would make a difference, but it doesn't. There's like this extra fabric here, and I can't pull it up or anything. And this one doesn't have it. You can just see like the seam for the, like, see that? Yeah, I think this is defective. Which sucks because it's so freaking cute. It is like off the shoulder, and I want to mention that, okay, if a bodysuit is long on me, you know there's something going on, because I'm 5'10". So if you're someone who's shorter, I would either go a size or two down or just skip it all together. What is wrong with this sleeve? So this skirt my cat's trying to go through, it's very comfortable, obviously see-through. The only thing I don't like is it's so, like, it's not tight, but when you walk, there's not much room. It feels a little restricting by the ankles, but it is cute. It has little pockets here, and then, oh, you know, I could, hey, I don't know why I didn't think of this. This will make it, there we go. Okay, that's better. All right. Oh, and the bodysuit is the thong. Didn't realize that when I bought it. Don't you love that? No. Okay, so the next bottoms I'm gonna try on with this. wear the big old these leather pants. I don't know if you're really familiar with Fashion Nova clothes, you'll probably know the Victoria high-waisted pants. Well, this is their leather version of those. So I love those pants, and that's like, what could be better? So these are the Victoria high-waisted dress pants, and I got them in a size extra large, and they came out to be $27. I got an extra large just because I feel like, I don't know, they're leather, I don't know, but let me try them on. Loving the pants. So another reason I got them was because in the reviews, they said they were tall girl friendly. I'm like, I'm a tall girl, I like friendly things. They were not joking. Like, I put my Timberlands on, and they're still touching the ground. I don't think I've ever owned a pair of pants that were this long on me. So do keep that in mind. If you're shorter, you would have to get them hemmed. But I am in love with them. I'm glad I got an extra large. My intuition's on point. I just knew I needed a larger size. But, well, actually, if they stretch out, they might be a little bit too big. That's okay. And I'm loving this outfit. I just wish the stupid sleeve wasn't messed up. So here is what it looks like. And then the last jacket I got. So I thought that this would be super cute with like a little dress or something. Just this like, I've never had an oversized leather jacket. So this is the Something About You faux leather moto jacket, and it was $25. So I was like, let's try it. Let's see how like kind of that baggy big jacket looks like. Okay. In the pockets? No. Oh, there's these little things. Are they real? Yeah, but that's not a pocket. Okay. I think it would look cute with a dress. I don't know if this is the right outfit for it. This tag is bothering me. But I mean, for $25, yeah, like a little mini dress or something, I think this would be super cute. But I'll have to try it on with some other outfits. For $25, girl. Really like these pants. Alright, so that was my Fashion Nova haul. Why is this bodysuit fucked up? Let me know what your favorite item was. And just your opinions on everything. I love hearing them. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. Hope it was helpful. And I will see you next time, because you know there will be a next time. Because I am a shopping addict. Alright guys, I love you. Bye.